Weebly free website tutorial how to create a website. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a website using Weebly for free. Let's dive straight in. First, go to weebly.com and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Click on this create your website or the sign up button and then just fill out all these details that you need. Make sure to check this I agree to Weebly's terms and privacy policy and then click on continue. Okay, so next is you'll need to select a theme for your website. Weebly offers a variety of themes depending on the style you want, but for this demonstration, I'll choose a clean, minimalistic design called Portfolio. And then I'm just going to choose whatever from all the list because it's really not loading on my end. Okay, never mind. I'll just go to business and then choose this one. Okay, so this one is very sleek, it's very straightforward. So I'm just gonna choose this theme. Okay, so once you've chosen your theme, click on Start Editing and it will take you to the drag and drop builder. Here you would have to choose your domain name. This is where people will find your website. Usually domain names aren't free, but let's just try. I'm just gonna name it whatever, so let's do a create. Okay, so like I said, domain names are usually paid, they're not free. So if you want a professional domain, you can choose their free their paid plans right here, or you can choose the subdomain which is free but with Weebly branding for your website. However, if you really want a more professional look to your website, this is really, I don't really recommend this, and I recommend really investing to these professional domains. Let's choose that later. Okay, so let's just reload the editor. Okay, so here's where the fun begins. Let's add some content to the homepage. On the left hand side, you'll see all the elements you can drag and drop. Let's start with a text block. Drag the text element and drop it onto the main section of your page. Let's see, I'm gonna drop it right here. As you can see here, the text block has been added. Type in a heading like welcome to my website. You can click on it to edit the text style, change the font size or color. For example, I make the text bold and increase the font size to make it stand out. So click on this B button right here and then tap on this plus icon to increase the size. And then yeah, now let's add an image, although we already have an image right here. Drag the image block from the left hand panel and drop it directly under the text. Again. Okay, so we're going to put it right here. Once you do that, you'll see a prompt to upload an image. Click it and I'll upload the sample photo of my ebook. Here, the title page of my ebook. And then you can resize the image by dragging the corners and align it by clicking on the alignment options. Right there. Now let's customize the theme to match the look you're going for. At the top menu, click Theme. From here, you can change fonts, colors, and even the overall style of your website. For me, I really love the sleek and minimalist look of my site already, so I'm not gonna change a thing. But if you want, you can see here the change theme, change fonts, and all that stuff. You can also do a dark theme if you like. But for me, I'm just gonna leave it at that because I really love the minimalistic look of this one. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm going back to light. So if you want to add more pages to your site, just click on pages at the top of the screen, and this is where you can manage all the pages on your site. To add a new page, click on the add button, then choose standard page. I'll name this page about me. And once you've named it, you'll see it added to the navigation menu automatically right here. To edit this new page, click on it, and then let's just add some content right here. I'll drag another text box to this page and write a short bio. Or maybe I just type in bio here. You can use the same text editing tools as before to style it. Then you can add an image block and upload a photo of yourself. Again, you can resize and align it to fit the layout. If you want to create a contact page just like before, click Add under Pages and choose a contact page. This time, Weebly automatically adds a contact form for you. You can choose customized fields by clicking on the form and adding or removing options. For example, if you don't need a phone number field, just delete it. Once you've set up the main pages, it's time to preview your website. At the top of the screen, there's a preview button. But I can't really find it on mine, so you can check yours. But usually at the top of the screen, there's a preview button. This lets you see how your site looks on desktop and mobile. Click on the mobile icon to make sure everything is responsive. Right here, I see it. This button is the preview button. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust the spacing or alignment. When everything looks good, it's time to publish your site. Click the publish button in the top right corner. Since we're using a free version of Weebly, you'll need to choose a subdomain, like I told you earlier. For example, I'll name mine mywebsite.weebly.com. Once you've chosen your subdomain, click publish and your site will go live instantly. That's it for this Weebly free website tutorial. I hope you find it simple and easy to follow. If you have any questions or want more tutorials, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and to the channel to more guides like this. See you in the next video.